Slušaj ovo sada. This is RIT for a second, man. Okay, big flex. And a banana, that's... Come on, man. Come on. Oh, man. Idemo dalje. In the whip. You know, this is called a real man. When you have to fix up a classic. This is a Renault 4. Wow. This is interesting. The clown car. Opa! That's how we do it.
Sine, pogledaj.
Ajde, Matrix, onaj, joj, evo. Matrix, brate moja.
Daj. Ružan čovjek to lopao.
Holy shoot. Not gonna lie, this thing is humongous in person. Of course. I don't know why I'm thinking like that, but damn. We need to go on this thing. Cruises with Caracas. You know, any one of these boats, you could just take a tour on, not gonna lie. They got so many options. Everybody's kind of specializing in this boat tourism on these things, of course. Wish they kind of had some little DJ live action, you know what I'm saying? That kind of brings some different profits and clientele. Gosh darn it, they got it all. Look at this thing. Oh. And you got the yachty fleet, you know what I'm saying? Got the gang all next to each other. Jeez. What are we supposed to do, man? And we got the farmer's market. This is the other side of town. What is going on here? What is going on here? I need to check what's going on. Look how many boats though. Traffic. Oh, we got all the goodies. Let's go check it out. This is my boy right here. This is Woody. Kružman Bridge up there. We got the traffic. And this is a new special. I don't know what's going down here. All the homegrown and agricultural specialties of Croatia. We're over here in Cluj, here at this farmer's market. And hey, you guys need to stop by. You know, if you have nothing to do, look at this. We got the green dream. You got everything you need, from dog food to Ricky energy drinks. We got the exotic fruit. You know, this guy gets it from all over the globe and he has his connections, so that's how he does it. But yes, you know, they have med, they have honey, they have meso, sok. They got it all here, so definitely take a peek and take a stop by.
Opa, from the first.
Let's just say you got a little tune-up. We're gonna see this golden gram Volkswagen. Opa, slummy.
Opa,
Old timers. Wow, that's gonna be like a little you know, museum, racing museum.
See
that little body on the side.
Body.
Dang, that's sick. That is
there's
beautiful.
the 3 lights inside.
Man, who's this Kribo? Bolesna zastava. We gotta film this hacker over here.
Man, he's hacking some shit.
Trying to log into my fucking Steam account.
Yeah, but this is nothing, you know. Like we went to the hotel. He was on top of the hotel.
Corona
He
free
brought,
zone.
like, an antenna and just
What
know,
up,
hacked
this
some
guy, what?
random Wi-Fi and
Shut the
Neka, ovo se samo dođe.
Ajme.
Stacionirano na zemlji. Da brane tak cijeli dio.
My Dubrovniko brothers and sisters, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time and your view and your comments left behind. It definitely keeps me moving forward because right now I've just been super stacked with school. It's my final year, it's my senior year, my studies in RIT Croatia Dubrovnik to be specific, you know? So I'm just going to end it off with a pleasant ending in that sense. Get my diploma and then conquer the world, you know what I'm saying? Keeping it on a positive note, I just want you guys to have a great rest of your day and God bless you and appreciate you. So just keep on doing your thing and I'll bring another video back to you very soon. This is Nico signing out.